Can you use robots in a cold room or refrigeration application? Robots are well suited for operation in cold room, low temperature, and other hazardous environments. Temperatures at or below 0 degrees Celsius are commonly found in food palletizing and case packing operations. FANUC robots operate at 0 to 45 degrees Celsius, which makes them suitable for walk-in refrigerators. Typical walk-in refrigerators are at approximately 1 to 3 degrees Celsius. At refrigeration temperatures, no special equipment is needed for the robot. However, a warm-up routine is a must. When the robot is idle for a long time at these temperatures, the grease viscosity increases, which changes the mechanical properties enough that the control system experiences response issues. This can lead to a slow robot operation or individual joint position errors. The continuous motion of the robot during operation is enough to keep the grease in the robot joints warm. So you will only need to run a warm-up routine in a refrigeration environment if you've had to shut down for the night or the weekend or perhaps over a holiday. Your warm-up routine for the robot in a cold room environment is very similar to a warm-up routine that you would use in a CNC machine. You start with some very slow motions, and then you work up slowly and gradually to faster motions over a 15 to 20 minute period. This motion is enough to warm up the grease in each of the robot joints, and it gets you ready to run for the day. That's all for now. Thanks for listening. My name is Stephen Bruce Wong with Automation Experts, and I will see you in the next Q&A.